Hello everyone. So in today's video, we're going to go over the steps on how to ensure a variable goes across both the requested item and the service catalog task. And I'll be demonstrating in my personal developer instance. So first, we'll go to our left-hand nav. We'll navigate to the service catalog and we're going to submit a request. So we'll go over to mobiles. And for this example, we'll do the Apple iPhone 5. We'll fill in the variables for this item. Carrier, we'll say AT&T. Monthly data allowance, we'll say unlimited. And we'll leave the other variables as they are. So we'll scroll up and we'll click order now. Great, so this request has been successfully submitted. So we'll go back to our left-hand nav. Service catalog is already in our search bar. What we're looking for is items. So we'll scroll down to items. And this brings us to a list of all of our requested items. And then the first column is the request we just submitted for the Apple iPhone 5. We'll open this. We'll scroll down. And what we're looking for here is to make sure that our variables pass correctly on the item level. And it looks like they have. So now we'll scroll down to the related list tab for the catalog task. And we'll open this task. Now we're looking to see that all the variables pass correctly to the catalog task itself. And it looks like we're missing the variable for storage. So we'll go over to our left-hand nav. We'll search maintain items. And what we're looking for is the catalog item itself for the iPhone 5. And we want to see why the storage variable didn't pass along correctly. So we'll scroll down to the variables. We'll open the variable for storage. And in our Forms section tab, we're going to look for availability. And it looks like the global checkbox isn't checked. So we'll go ahead and check the global checkbox. We'll save. And if that global checkbox isn't an option in that availability view, then we need to configure your form. And I'll link a video down below on how to do that. So now we'll go back to our left-hand nav. We'll go to the service catalog again, and we'll submit a request as we did before. Mobiles, iPhone 5, fill in the variables, carrier AT&T, monthly data allowance, unlimited. We'll leave the other variables as they are. We'll scroll up and click order now. We'll go back down to our requested items. And this is the second request we just submitted for the Apple iPhone 5. So again, we're looking to make sure that the variables pass correctly on the item level. It looks like they have. We'll scroll down to the catalog task. And now it looks like the storage variable has now passed correctly to the catalog task itself. And this is how we ensure that a variable goes across both your requested item and the service catalog task. Thanks for watching.